everyone. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Hybrid Jamaican-American Art. An art of Jamaican cooking, American power tooling, and much more. This electric saw that I'm cleaning off was my daddy's saw. And he's the one who taught me how to use power tools. Now, if you take a look, you can see it's old, it's rusted, but I tested it, and it still works. Maybe even better than mine. So I'm just cleaning this off. Gonna unrust it, so that way I'll be able to use it in addition to my saw. And then that way, I'm carrying on what my daddy taught me. I'm just gonna be safe. And my daddy always taught me, when you're doing things like that, go away from yourself. Not looking for it to be perfect. But just nice. Like I said, unrusted. Clean it up. Of course, I have to let all this stuff dry and things because it's not wise to be using electrical stuff if they're not completely dry. But okay. So now, I think I did a well enough job on cleaning up my daddy's electric saw. So next time I'm working on a project that requires it, I now have the two. Thanks for teaching me how to use power tools, Daddy. And of course, as many of you might have heard me say, his cousin taught his daughter how to use them even more. But just having daddies that teach their daughters how to use things like that is a very positive thing. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you very much. And I hope you returned. Because by God's grace, I'll be back with more aspects, of power tooling, Jamaican cooking, different aspects of hybrid Jamaican-American art. Till next time.